let's restock on some fidgets. Inside, there's some fidgets. So first, you guys might see some black for a while because opening up the bag. So first, what we're going to stock up on is this homemade puppet from Chick-fil-A. It's funny, but look. Oh, don't see my foot. Okay, so you pop it. And this is a local puppet, so we're going to add it right here to the homemade puppet. So we added that one. Okay, now I'm going to put my hand in. We're going to stock up on my Slinky. So as you guys know, I am a fan of Slinkies. You might not know that yet, but I'm a fan of Slinky. So we're going to be restocking on a Slinky. Let me see the Slinky. This is homemade marble mesh, wacky track, huge squishy, monkey noodles, finger magnets, homemade poppet. Oh, that's a poppet. We don't need a poppet. We need a homemade poppet. Here you got the gobble wobble poppet. Oh, and here's the Slinky. Let's put the Slinky down. Okay, restocked on the Slinky. And the homemade water bag will be coming in soon. My mom threw it away, so I don't know why she did that, but it started leaking, so of course she did that. You guys see me? Okay, you guys can see me. Here's my hand in. We have a wacky track. We're going to be stocking up on a wacky track. The wacky track is actually right here. Wacky track. Stuck on a wacky track. Now stock up on finger magnets. Stock on my finger magnets. Or finger rings, or whatever you call them. But I'm going to put the finger magnets there and I'm going to show you the whole stock of things that I have. You guys can't buy because they're not mine, but if you guys want me to at least like sell some fake, then I can surely do that. But I'm going to go stock up on these. Now I'm trying again. I'm so excited. Oh, that's a slime. Horrible slime. Get the horrible slime here when we do it anyways. And the slime goes right next to the Slinky. Last of all is my homemade marble mesh that I totally love. So, marble mesh. But yeah, that's basically all for today's video because no more of these left. So, I hope you guys have a very great Valentine's Day, and goodbye for now. I might be continuing on my videos. But yeah, bye!